In this video, I will show you how to find your saved passwords on an iPhone running iOS 18. Apple has introduced a new app specifically dedicated to managing passwords. This is a big change from previous versions of iOS. With this new app, it becomes much easier to access and manage your saved login information. To get started, swipe through your home screen and look for the Passwords app. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry. Just swipe left past all your home screen pages to access the app library. Once you're in the app library, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in passwords. When it appears in the search results, select the Passwords app to open it. Before you can view any sensitive information, you need to verify your identity. This can be done using Face ID or Touch ID, depending on your device model. Once verified, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface that displays several options related to password management. Here are 6 main options available within the Passwords app: All, Passkeys, Codes, Wi-Fi, Security, and Deleted. By tapping on All, you can view every saved password stored on your device. Next is Passkeys. This option allows you to see all your passkeys. Codes displays all verification codes associated with your accounts. Wi-Fi shows all Wi-Fi networks you've connected to along with their respective passwords. Security highlights any compromised passwords that require immediate attention, ensuring users stay informed about potential security risks. Lastly, tapping on Deleted reveals all deleted passwords and passkeys from the last 30 days. It's crucial for those who may have accidentally removed credentials they still need access to during this grace period before permanent deletion occurs. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.